This is the video to learn how to sort data in reverse order in Excel. So firstly guys, we need here number. So write 1, 2 and in the corner select, press Ctrl and make number list. Now you have to do select both name list and number list. Right click on it and sort. Select the custom sort. Sort by select here this is the one, select, and here select largest to smallest. Click on OK. Here are some mistakes. So yes, we have to select this one also. By mistake we didn't select it. Now same process, right click, sort, custom sort. Now select here. Now we will try again. Yes, now column B, largest to smallest. Now it will work properly. So actually you have to select from here, not from this first name. You have to select this entire both column like this. If you don't need this number sheet or list, so delete it. That's it. Thanks for watching.